Hi everyone, I'm Deidra. I'll be giving you a tour of my small apartment that I share with my boyfriend in Florida. I decorated for the Christmas, so hopefully you guys enjoy my Christmas decor style. And if you do have any questions of where anything is from, please comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. So thanks for watching and enjoy the video. So as we enter, that's my entryway. And to the right is the kitchen. And in front, that's the living area and my entryway table. And to the left is a hallway to the bathroom. So on this entryway area, there's a mirror from Marshall's. On the top shelf, all these Christmas decorations are from Hobby Lobby. And on the second shelf, everything is from Target. So my theme for decorating was silver and gold, or champagne gold, and a pop of red and green everywhere. So, and the bow in the middle, I DIY'd that. I tried my best. And here I just have a tray with Grove Collaborative products. I love those products. On the stove, the napkins on the stove are from Ross. And the Christmas tree I bought from Walmart. I decorated with silver champagne ornaments and decorations, and I put a pop of red with the red bow, and I actually put it in a basket just to give it a different look. And that's my gallery wall, I guess. That's what I have for now. I like it, just has a bits and pieces of what I love. And the white and gold pillows on the couch are from Ross, and the red one in the middle is from Target. As you can see, I was watching my TV show. So the wreath around the TV is from Walmart. Most of the decorations on this TV stand is from Target, as well as the inserts. Just another spin around. And that's my favorite setup in the apartment. I love that Merry Christmas sign, and I got those stems from Hobby Lobby, and those chairs are from Target. I share this apartment with my boyfriend. That's why it's two desks. This desk is mine. Just a picture of me, my dad, and my mom, and my view of the back of the TV. and BTS over there. And this is one of the 4 of my plant babies. The other one in the pink vase is lavender. And that's my boyfriend's desk. The plant at the top, that was fake. That's fake. And I DIY'd those bows as well, just to give it a pop of color on the shelf. I had wanted to put curtains in the apartment, but I think I'm good for now. I think I like how it is for now. And now for the bedroom, well, just another overview of the apartment, the living area, and the kitchen. And here's the bedroom. So there's no overhead lighting in this room, so the only lights in this room are the 2 lamps on the bedside tables. So on each of these nightstands, I have that tree, or yeah, those are from Target, and that pillow is from Ross. That's my favorite piece in the bedroom. And I also DIY'd those bows. The mirror I got from Home Goods. It's beautiful, sleek, and black. I just put some ornaments in these gold glass things. And that's our hangman, so that we don't throw clothes all over the place. And here's our closet. Well, it's mostly my stuff, but yeah. And shoes that I only wear once a year. That's it for the closet. And here's a bathroom. I only put 2 of those bottle brush trees, or whatever it's called, silver and gold. That's the theme. And I kept the original theme in the bathroom, which was gray, white, and blue, and purple, I guess, because I really love those colors for the bathroom. And there's nothing on the wall behind the door, because most of the time the door blocks that wall. And the shower is huge. I love the shower, the tiles on the shower, the whole design. And that painting is so beautiful. So a little overview of the bathroom. And this is our linen closet. I store towels and toilet papers, paper towels, hair products, all those knickknacks. And for this door is the washer and dryer, stackable ones that came with the apartment. And the last door is our storage closet, I store our cleaning supplies and tools and shopping trolley and boxes and other stuff. And that is it for the apartment tour. The next clip is it with all the lights.